number line and add the following integers. Let us see the solution. Consider the part E. Here we have -1 plus of -2 plus of -3. Let us consider the number line. To add -1, -2 and -3, the first step would be start from 0 and move one step to the left since we have -1 here. So we need to move one step to the left. We reach -1. The next step would be move 2 steps to the left starting from -1 since we need to add -2 with -1. So let us move 2 steps to the left from -1. 1, 2. So we will reach -3. After adding -1 and -2, we have reached -3. So now we need to add -3 with -3. For that, we need to further move 3 units to the left from -3. So 1, 2, 3. We have reached -6 on the number line. Let us write it down. We have reached -6 on the number line. Hence, -1 plus of -2 plus of -3 is equal to -6. This completes part E. Next, let us consider the part F. Here we have -2 plus 8 plus of -4. Let us consider the number line. To add -2, 8 and -4, the first step would be start from 0 and move 2 steps to the left since we have -2 here. So we have to start from 0. From 0, we have to move 2 steps to the left. We will reach -2. Next, we need to add 8 with -2. For that, from -2, we need to move 8 steps to the right. So from -2, 8 steps we need to move towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have moved 8 steps to the right starting from -2 and we reached 6. Next, we need to add -4. For that, after reaching 6, we need to move 4 steps to the left. So from here, we need to move 4 steps to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have moved 4 steps to the left. So we denote this by -4. We have reached 2 on the number line. Let us write it down. We have reached 2 on the number line. Hence, -2 plus 8 plus of -4 is equal to 2. This completes the solution of the given problem.